But you actually don't know me. It's just a drive, you know what I'm saying? Hey, oh, hey, that my fault. You caught me off guard. Acting like you know me, dog. Oh, yeah, that's my beat. Telling me how I should do it. When you ain't me, guess you gon' see, yeah. Young boy out here chasing dreams, yeah. Everything that good ain't what it seems, yeah. Watch out now, you tryna cramp my style. What you doing, cause you wild. Thinking you know more than half of it. I heard your stuff, not a fan of it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Boy, do I have an awesome video for you all. So this unit is from Geniuswigs, and the unit that I'm going to show you all today is their full scalp lace wig. And when I saw that on the website, I was like, what? Full scalp? Now, I'm sure many of you all have heard of the fake scalp method that many people use. Now, this one doesn't have any underlining or anything, but it is a full lace wig that looks so natural and realistic that it looks like scalp. This is their silky texture. It does come with the full lace around the entire parameter, kind of like a 360, so you can wear the unit up. And y'all, I'm going to show you all some bantu knots on this wig. I've never done anything like this. As you can see, the lace is lighter when you receive it, but I'm going to show you guys how I tint the lace and make it look seamless. And y'all, this coverage for this particular unit is so great for my low hairline. This is probably one of the best that I've experienced. So I decided to switch my stocking cap, and I am putting on a stocking cap that had already been prepped with the partial ball cap method. So I'm going to just put on some bed head on my hairline, just in the front, not on the sides, and then I'm just going to place the stocking cap down over that area, blow dry it on the cool setting. You can also use a warm temperature, it really doesn't matter. And as you can see, I didn't do anything to the sides, but we're going to be fine without that being done. So now putting the unit on the mannequin head, I want you all to see the hairline up close and personal. They've already pre-plucked the hairline, the knots are lightly bleached, and y'all, you get parting throughout this entire unit. So I love that about it. It's going to almost mimic your actual head or scalp, which makes this wig so versatile. So as you can see, if you part it in the front, if you part it in the back, it's gonna look really good. So right now I'm just gonna tint the lace, and I am using color Finest Mocha, and this is by Wig Gurus. I will leave a link down in the description box. Now, I didn't place any of this on the back of the unit. I probably should have. Now, after you do this, you can spread it across the entire front using a brush and then dry it before you actually install. And then I'm going to take some MAC face powder and place it right over. This is going to help to mute the grids and make it look scalp-like. So this is the trick, guys. If you use a lace tint, follow it up with a face powder, and that's going to cause it to look like the fake scalp and look so realistic and natural, and it's going to look like it's actually your hair. So now I'm going to cut the lace off in the back first, and then also cut the lace off in the front, and then we'll proceed to install the unit.
I'm not the type's gotta have someone. I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I had a lot of people come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to being solo.
All right, y'all, do you see how much of a difference that made? This looks so much better, and this hairline is just so amazing, y'all. So right now we're going to begin installing, but before we do, I need to cut the area of the lace around the ear tabs to make sure that it's customized and it fits my head perfectly. So I'm going to do that now, and then after I do that, I'm going to proceed to add Got2b glue to my hairline and begin installing this wig.
But it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we can get by together. Come sit down, let's celebrate this love we found, cause we know this is real. I'm about to let you know, I gotta let you know that you can relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile, you like good food, you're from that place, you're from my place. Can relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh, you like good food, you're from that place, you're from my place. Get your clothes and let's take a drive. True love's coming back in style. We'll be riding to my song, pretty pretty. There ain't nothing going wrong, really really. So good when you came my way. You came and laughing almost every day. Life can't be better as long as we stay together. Come.
At this point, I also decided to customize the hairline. I felt like the peak came up a little too far, and my hairline doesn't naturally do that, so I decided to cut that back some. So feel free with your units to customize even this portion if need be.
Come sit down, celebrate this love, baby. Why don't we saving our money, and we be eating.
Y'all, this wig looks like it grew out of my scalp, and I don't even need any baby hair, which is so cool. Now, I am going to add some in a moment, but I did decide to add some foundation to the area where the glue, or not glue, but the gel actually kind of transferred a little bit. So I'm just trying to conceal that. And now I'm adding a scarf to the front hairline so that it can set in the front. I decided to do that for a little bit while I just comb the hair out. And then after about 5 minutes of allowing it to set, I am going to part the hair and begin styling. Now, the style that I decided to create is the one they had on the website, and I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to do it or not. I often have challenges with wigs creating styles like these because my hairline generally is a problem, but for this wig there's so much coverage that my hairline wasn't an issue. So I took the scarf off in order to make sure the part in the middle was nice and straight, and also just to make sure the hair was nice and laid. So I'm showing you all what I'm using in order to do that. I use my hot comb and follow that up with some mousse, and this is by Nairobi. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of baby hair, and then I'm going to put the scarf back on and begin getting the hair nice and sleek, creating 4 ponytails, and then proceeding to make my bantu knot.
We be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. Party on 22. I'm saving our money. I'm saving our money. Oh, can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. Make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going. I can take it anywhere. I can take it anywhere. So know me.
Now, at this particular portion in the tutorial, I want to give you all some tips. When you're parting the hair with straighter or silkier texture hair, use a holding spray. Also, when you're parting the back, you may want to use a mirror like this one that allows you to see the back of your head. I've shown this in other tutorials. When I did my big chop, I used this. I also like to use this mirror when I'm trimming my hair or cutting a wig and I can't see the back. So as you can see, this is helping me so that I can part it much straighter. I did actually go to the bathroom in order to do it. It's better if you do it in front of a large mirror because I'm actually looking into the viewfinder, which is very small, but this will really help you. I'll link this in the description box as well. But after you've parted, be sure to use a holding spray. And that's where the Got To Be glue, the new one, came in. So you all are going to see me use that and make good use of that purchase, which I really thought went to waste.
They know you and me now. We about to throw one. Know you like my family. They know you better be at this party. They know my family. Come on, I can take it anywhere. So come by. They know you and me. Baby, won't you come? Can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad baby, I'm found you. Make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take it anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place.
Lady, come in, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time, I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a might go to Spain, no matter the place. Girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii. Ay, I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't tryna mess this up. No, 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 let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay, hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation, yeah. We paint the picture while they be tracing, yeah. Landing in all type of nations.
And these are the finished results, guys. I love being creative, and this turned out so well.
Can't get enough of your love, girl. You been so patient. We started off in the basement, now we up out of space again. #1 is the place we in. It's a meal at the finish line. All my people gon' race to win. Lord have mercy on Polo, please. He got a case to win. Can't fold, never crease, don't bend. If you do, don't cry, we been now. So let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay, hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah, we just fine. Let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay, hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation.
So right now I'm just showing you all another hairstyle that you can easily transition into after doing the first hairstyle. And y'all, this unit is in length 16, but it looks like length 20. So you do get a good amount of bang for your buck. Lastly, I'm gonna show you guys what the hair looks like all down. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Also check the description box. All the links, specifications, and products that I use will be provided down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.
Hey, oh, hey, am I fault? You got me off guard. Acting like you know me.